Hello guys! Today I have 5 of 50x, 25 euro session. Hola a todos! Butard, mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Eu tenho 5 raspadinhas, número 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so we're looking for these 5 numbers. 24, 33, 34, 26, 43, 13, 23, 37, 40, 16, 28, 42, no, 18, 14, 41, no, 22, 27, 39, 19, 36. So the first ticket obviously is a loser. Let's go to the next ticket. We're looking for these 5 numbers. I count the numbers in Portuguese, guys, okay? 42, 16, 38, 19, 27, 41, 24, 21, okay, 21. Now, come on, multiplier 12, 44. I'm using Enjoy World Coin. 37, 13, 17, 14. Ay, I found a match, guys. 19, 43, 23, 35. No. 26, no. 36, no. Come on, Portugal 3. Be big. Of course. Of course. So I bought 19 for euro. What else? Okay, so I found a win in this session. The odds of winning in this ticket, guys, are 1 in 350. Okay, so I found 5 euro here. 24. Let's go to 25. Let's hope it's back to back. We're looking for 42, 44, 24, 36, 35, 17, 14, 38, 16, 21, 41. Ay! Back to back, guys! I found 44. Nice! Let's hope it's not 5 euro. 39, 23, 26, 28, 13, 40, 31, 22. Come on, jackpot. Come on, jackpot. Por favor, Santa Casa. Come on, Portugal 3. Of course. Back to back 5 euros, of course. What else? What's the lottery record of 5 euro? It's confirmed. Letra A in Portuguese. So this is back to back, guys. 25 and 24. Okay, let's hope it's back to back to back to back. Let's ticket number 26. I'm gonna use this G-Surge coin, beautiful coin. M2M Grab and Gamble give this to me. Let's hope 3 in a row. Winners. It's not a win, guys, because they give me the money back, the price of the ticket. Okay. 39. No, we're looking for these 5 numbers. 34, 24, 23, 26, 42, 11, 35, 28, 32, 34, 31, 14. A lot of 14s in this. 18, my lucky number, but it's not here. 13, 33, 40, 16, 44, 27, 17. It's a loser or what? Okay, so I think this is not a winner. Am I right? Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay, so there's no back to back to back. Okay, let's go to the last ticket. 28, 27 is missing, guys. I'm gonna use this big coin for big prize. Come on, Portugal Lottery. 22, 14, 21, 31. A lot of 1 in this ticket, guys. 14, 21, 31, 11. 34. I found the 2x. Nice. So it's good, guys. She gave me she jumped to 28. And this is 26. Nice. I found a multiplier, guys. 41. So at least 10 euro. So this is set. This is knob. I'm using this big coin for big win, guys. Okay. Knob. Let's already put at least 10 there. 23. What happened to this coin? It's difficult to use. 26. 39. 38. 13. Oh, meu Dios. What's going on? 40. 29. 36. 18, my lucky number. But 32. So no. Just 2x, come on. Don't give me 5 euro. Por favor, Santa Casa. Come on, Portugal Lottery. Today, at least, give me 10 euro for money back. Come on, Portugal Lottery. Please don't give me 5 euro. Of course. Of course. But it's nice, guys, because I found 3 wins. 3 wins in 25 euro session. I found 3 wins. The odds of winning in this ticket, guys, are 1 in 3.50. So normally out of 4 tickets they give 1 win. Today they give me 3 wins. I broke the odds, guys. The odds of winning. I broke the odds of winning in this ticket. So I spent 25 and I got 10, 5, 44, so 15 and 5. So 20 euro win. So 2 losing tickets in 5 tickets. This is a nice session, guys, overall. Maybe I missed some numbers. I don't know. I wish I missed some numbers. But this is a very nice session, guys. I only lost 5 euro. And I enjoyed playing. Okay, so they don't give me 10 at least. A lot of 5 is wins, guys. It's enough 5. 2x 5. Ay, Jesus Christ. Okay. What I won here? I don't know what I won here. 44, right? 5. Portugal Lottery is very stingy.